Stop scrolling if you're serious about making real gains in crypto, because what you're about to hear could change your portfolio forever. The market is shifting fast and timing is everything. These aren't just random coins. We're talking about 5 explosive cryptos with the power to skyrocket, and most investors are still sleeping on them. If you miss this, you might miss the next 10x. So lean in, lock in, and don't blink, because every second in this video could be the difference between watching wealth happen or creating it yourself. Binance Coin, BNB, emerged in 2017 as the native token of the Binance ecosystem, designed to reward users with reduced trading fees and fuel operations on Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. Over the years, BNB has transformed into a cornerstone asset, valued both for its utility and as a speculative investment. Recently, BNB has been making headlines with its steady surge and strong technical indicators. According to Brave New Coin, the MACD indicator recently turned positive, hinting at a potential rally towards $700 as momentum builds and support consolidates around the $650 zone. A-Invest similarly forecasts a bullish channel for 2026, expecting prices between $750 and $1,087, while CoinCodex projects an average of $1,355 in the coming years, possibly reaching $1,648 by 2029. Benzinga paints an even bolder picture, with 2030 averages between $2,107 and $2,423 and highs approaching $2,749. Of course, crypto markets are inherently volatile. Macroeconomic shocks, regulatory bans, or a sharp pullback in Bitcoin could derail the bullish case. Polkadot is currently trading around $3.89, displaying modest intraday movement with a high of $3.91 and a low of $3.74. This positions it attractively as one of the top contenders in the crypto space right now, offering a blend of innovation, potential, and community momentum. Built by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood and Peter Szaban, Polkadot pioneers interoperability in the blockchain realm. Its relay chain and parachain system allow networks to communicate seamlessly, solving fragmentation and enhancing scalability, a critical need for Web3's next generation. With the capacity to process up to 1 million transactions per second in theory and around 1,000 TPS today, Polkadot stands out as a high-speed, efficient alternative. Forecasts paint a bright picture for DOT's future. Analysts at CoinMarketCap anticipate it'll hit the $8-10 range in 2025 under moderate scenarios, with bullish swings towards $18 plus if things accelerate. Coinpedia echoes this optimism, projecting a strong push to $10.40 by 2025's end, and potentially climbing to $78 plus by 2030 in exuberant markets. What drives such growth? Polkadot's expanding parachain ecosystem, rising staking incentives, around 11% yield, and notable institutional integrations like Deloitte's cargo tracking efforts with Kilt tokens demonstrate real-world adoption. Solana currently trades at approximately $155.38, nestled within an intraday range between $145.74 and $157.53. This positions Solana firmly in the spotlight of crypto enthusiasts seeking high-performance, scalable blockchain solutions. Far from a sleepy token, SOL continues to capture attention thanks to its lightning-fast transaction speeds, expanding DeFi ecosystem, and growing institutional interest. The buzz around Solana has intensified in recent weeks. A BitGet analyst suggested SOL might aim as high as $300 if the current market rally perseveres. This ambitious forecast is not pulled from thin air. The same analysis credits soaring institutional interest and bullish sentiment across the crypto landscape as key catalysts. Technically speaking, momentum appears solid. Binance's prediction model reflects a somewhat restrained yet bullish outlook, estimating an average price near $156.64 for mid-June, creeping to $156.79 by late June and touching $157.27 by mid-July 2025. Expanding the horizon, it forecasts a gradual climb toward $164 by 2026 and near $200 by 2030 under steady growth assumptions. Investing in Solana today means buying in at approximately $155, with a diversified outlook depending on your risk appetite and horizon. The Helium token, at approximately $2.48 today, operates as a backbone of the people's network, rewarding individuals who deploy IoT and mobile coverage hotspots with real HNT tokens on a peer-to-peer blockchain structure. It has seen modest intraday swings between $2.43 and $2.50, suggesting a stable, if not dynamic, trading environment. What's driving growing attention to Helium is its practical utility. Everyday people powering connectivity for smart devices and even mobile phone traffic earn HNT. This proof of coverage model not only rewards individuals, but also builds out a decentralized wireless network in places big telecoms often overlook. From a financial perspective, a range of forecasts inject both caution and excitement into Helium's roadmap. Conservative models estimate HNT may dip slightly in the near term to around $2.33 to $2.40 by mid-2025. However, by the latter half of 2025, bullish momentum could take it into the $3 to $3.30 range, potentially yielding 30 to 35% growth over current levels. In short, Helium embodies a compelling blend of grassroots connectivity and blockchain economics. That fusion could propel HNT far beyond its current price. But as always in crypto, the upside is robust and the ride can be bumpy. For those who believe in decentralizing infrastructure, Helium is shaping up to be a quietly electric path to that future. Cubetics is emerging as a bold player in the crowded blockchain landscape. Built as a unified Web3 aggregator, this Layer 1 network aims to seamlessly connect major blockchains, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Cosmos, under one roof. Its promise rests on three pillars: scalability, cross-chain interoperability, and an intuitive non-custodial wallet enabling one-click swaps, staking, dApp access, and NFT minting, all while users retain full control of their private keys. Hands-on, user-centric approach is helping Cubetics stand out in a sea of abstract promises. As Cubetics nears the end of its pre-sale rounds, it's riding waves of momentum. As of stage 37, the pre-sale price sits at $0.3370 per TIX token, with over 515 million tokens sold and a growing base of 27,900 holders, raising more than $17.9 million. What's fueling the buzz is its carefully structured weekly price increase of roughly 10%, creating clear entry points and built-in upside ahead of its listing. Analysts forecast a 20% boost at listing, driving early pre-sale gains above that level. Current figures paint a picture of robust interest: more than $18 million raised, nearly 529 million tokens sold, and investor sentiment buoyed by forecasts of $6 to $15 per TIX post-listing, an astonishing upside of up to 4,350%. Even a modest climb to $1 would offer nearly 200% returns at $10 or $15. The implications are life-changing, turning a $5,000 investment into tens or even hundreds of thousands.